Yes, class, good morning. Today we'll discuss here problem solving exercise 10.1. Today, third lecture of this exercise. Today I'm taking question number 5th. This is the very important and different type questions of this. Find the slope of the line which passes through the origin. Line is passes through the origin and the midpoint of the line segment. Those line passes through the origin. The midpoint of the line joining this and this point. So first of all we understand the question and these points plot in Cartesian plane. These 2 points plot in the Cartesian plane. Then you draw this line segment which will be passing through in the or from the origin. So now first will be here. Draw these lines. These 2 lines. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, this is the x. First of plot these points 0, -4. This is the origin point here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our second point here 8, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This point. This is the -4 or this is the +8. So then name of this point here P. Coordinate of P here 0, -4 and coordinate of B here 8, 0. So first we'll draw this line. This line. Find the slope of the line which passes through the origin. So you will draw the line. This is the midpoint here. This point. So this point is R point. The name of this line is L. To find the slope of the line which passes through the origin, you will find the slope of this line. You will find out slope of this line because this line passes through the origin and the midpoint of the line segment or this line segment PB line segment R is the midpoint. This is given. Point line segment joining the point this and this. In this line segment, this line intersect by with the midpoint. So this R is called your midpoint. Now here given x1 y1 will indicate point here P 0, -4, x2 y2 directed here B 8, 0. x1 y1 x2 y2 or this R is the midpoint of PQ and R is midpoint of PB. So then R is the midpoint of PB. So then coordinate of the R, what is the coordinate of the R? Suppose that the coordinate of the R is xy. Suppose coordinate of the R is xy. So then midpoint of the x, coordinate of the R xy equal x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. Because this is the given कि R is the midpoint, this one is the given कि R is the midpoint, but then you will using the tricks of the identity of the midpoints. So then what is the R x1 here? This is the x1, this is the x2. x1 here 0 plus 8 by 2. What is the y1? -4 plus 0 upon 2. What will you come here? 2 to 8, 4. And what will here? -2. The coordinate of the R here xy. The coordinate of the R here xy is 4 -2. Because P and B having the coordinate are, this is the given condition कि R is the midpoint of PB. So then you find using the identity of the midpoint and find the coordinate of the R. Next thing, after that you will find the slope of the line L. You will find the slope of the line L, or this is the origin point or coordinate of the origin is 0, 0. So coordinate of the origin is 0, 0. So now slope of the line RO. You will find the slope of the line RO. Then identity here to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is the slope of the line. After that you will find here, what find here? Slope. Then slope of line equal, slope of line RO equal y2. What is the y2 here? You take this as suppose x1 y1 x2 y2. So y2 means y minus 0 upon x minus 0. And what value of the x and y here? 4. y2 means minus 2 minus 0 or 4 minus 0. What will become here? Minus 1 by 2. This is the value of the minus 1 by 2. Slope of the line is here minus 1 by 2. So find the slope of the line which passes through the origin. So this is slope of the minus 1 by 2. This is your answer. This is your answer. Yes, note down it. Class, next question I am taking question number 8. Find the value of the x for which point. First point here x minus 1, second point 2 1 and next point 4 5 are collinear points. The given condition here ki 3 points those are given here are conditions of the collinear conditions. Or you know ki collinear conditions, when 3 points are coming in a straight line, then you can say ki points are collinear. Using these conditions ki 3 points are on a straight line, according to topics of the straight line, how to find out the value of the x. So when suppose this line is a straight line, suppose a point A, suppose the point B and suppose the point C, the given points here. Or suppose coordinate of A is first, coordinate of B is the second, or coordinate of C is the third, for example. So then how to find out the value of the given conditions with help of the straight line topics? So then slope of the AB equal to slope of BC. This condition is follow this point, then you find the value of the x. Yes, now start the solution. First, the x1, y1 is indicated here, x minus 1, x2, y2 here indicated. This is the coordinate of the A. And this one is the coordinate of the B. And x3, y3 equal the coordinate of the series 4 5. So suppose this is the given here, okay, coordinate of the A are x1 y1. Then you can write in this form. Suppose the A point, suppose this is the B point, or suppose this is the C point. Coordinate of A x minus 1, 2 1 and 4 5. Because 3 points are collinear points, you will write the diagram according this way. Then, so how to find out the value of the x? Then, slope of AB will be equal slope of BC. Slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Suppose this is the x1 y1, x2 y2 or x3 y3. Then you can write here y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Same thing here, y3 upon y3 minus y2 upon x3 minus x1. Slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Because 3 points are collinear, using these tricks of with help of the slope. So then y2 means, what do you mean y2 here? So y1 minus plus 1 upon 2 minus x equal to 5 minus 1 upon 4 minus 2. Because y2 minus y1 or x2 minus x1 according this here for left side. Right side here y3 minus y2, this is the numerator, or 4 minus 2 here denominator. Solve this. 2 upon 2 minus x equal 5 minus 1 4 and 4 minus 2 2. Then cross multiply here. 2 to the 4, 4 2 minus x. So this 4 will be cancelled to 1. So 2 minus x equal to 1. This 4 to 4 cancel. Take a result there come is 1. The x equal 2 minus 1. The x equal to 1. Transposing this, the x equal to 1. The value of the x equal is 1. So this is your answer. You will find the value of the x. You will find the value of the x here 1. In this place, you suppose you are putting the here 1. Then these 3 points will be come in the Collier conditions. According this way, every questions which come in the condition is the collinear or non-collinear, any other conditions. So you will read the question very carefully. If condition is the collinear conditions, then you will solve according this way. Suppose condition is the non-collinear condition, then solve with the other techniques. Yes, note down in the next questions. Yes, class. Next question I am taking. Find question number 10. Find the angle between x-axis and line joining this point. So this condition here again, you will find the angle between the x-axis and where is the line you draw this line, then you will angle between the x-axis. So first of all, here you write here x1, y1, indicate here 3 minus 1, and x2, y2 here indicate 4 minus 2. What things given you right here? Or what you find here? You find the angle here of the x-axis and joining the points. It's these 2 points. So when you write this, then you can write the angle between these. What is that? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Because you can, this is the between of the m. Then m equal to the tan theta. Value of the m equal to tan theta equal to y2 minus y1 upon f2 minus x1. This is a simple identity of this. The value of the m, slope of the line. You will find this according this way. M equal to y2, or value of the m to tan theta. When you find the angle, then you convert your m equal to tan theta. Suppose you will find the angle between lines and x-axis, then you will convert m equal tan theta. When you find the angle, so I am putting here and place here tan theta, but right side will be the same. Same thing we are putting the x2 y2 minus y1, then minus 2 plus 1 upon 4 minus 3. What will become 1 upon minus 1? This is come here minus 1. The value of the tan theta equal to minus 1. The value of the tan theta equal to minus 1. So you will convert minus 1 in the angle form, so equal to minus tan 45. Because tan 45 degree equal to 1. Or we have minus sign. Or minus sign tan is come in the second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan is the negative sign. In second quadrant. So you convert in the second quadrant and fourth quadrant, the tan is the negative. First and third is tan is positive. In 2 quadrants, they are positive, but here negative and here negative, tan theta. So then you convert according to the second quadrant, this is equal to minus tan 180 minus 45. Suppose you write tan pi minus theta. Tan pi minus theta equal to minus tan theta. So tan pi minus theta equal to minus tan theta. So tan pi minus pi means pi value of the pi equal to 180. So pi minus theta 180 minus theta equal to minus tan theta. So then you can write this tan equal tan minus 5 or 7 minus 3 135 degree. This is the tan theta equal. After that, what value of the theta? Theta equal to 135 degree. This is your final answer. So this was your final answer, because you are finding the angle are in degree form. So the tan theta equal to 135 degree. So theta equal to 135 degree. So this is the angle between the line and the line of the x-axis. This angle. This is the 135 degree angle. According this way, so this is the line, or this is the x-axis, positive x-axis, and this is the y-axis. The between angle is 135 degree. According this way, you will find the angle here 135 degree. So yes, note down, and then next. Yes, class. Next question. Taking question number here 13 question. This is the different type questions of if 3 points, first, second, third, the 3 points lie on a line. You know when 3 points and 4 points and 5 points, any points that the 3, 4, 5 number of points lie on a straight line, it means these points are the collinear points. Understand me? Second, to show that this you will prove that this thing, when the 3 points are collinear points, then you will prove that these things. Understand it not? Yes, now start the solution. First, x1 y1 equal x0 x2 y2, here AB and x3 y3 equal 0k. First of all, you will write every time write a point in this way, because this is easy to count and easy to put the value of. Suppose you are writing in this form, very easy to put out the values. First thing here. Second thing, 3 points collinear means 3 points are come in the straight line. Suppose this is the P point, this is the P, Q or R point. These 3 points are lie on a line. This means these 3 points are collinear points. So then you can say here, okay, this is the coordinate of P, this is the coordinate of Q, or this is the coordinate of R. So then when 3 points are collinear, then slope of AB equal slope of BC equal slope of CA. That means when you write slope of AB equals slope of BC or slope of CA, here AB place here, you can write here PQ. PQ, here write QR, or here write PR, according this way. When 3 points are collinear, then you can using these tricks. After that, you will slope of PQ means y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 equal to slope of QR means y3 minus y2. So y3 minus y2 upon x3 minus x1 equal a slope of RP, that means y1 minus y3 upon x1 minus x3, according this way. According this way, if PQ to y2 minus y1, when you using the QR, then y3 minus y2, or when using the PR to y1 minus y3, according this way. Putting the value here, y2 minus y2, b minus 0 upon a minus h equal, here putting 0 minus a, not 0, k minus b upon 0 minus a equal y, h minus 0 upon 0 minus, this is wrong, 0 minus k upon h minus 0. So y2 minus y3 or y2 minus y1, b minus 0, x2 minus x1, a minus h. This is the a. And second here, y3, k minus b and 0 minus a. Next, 0 minus k and h minus 0. So now taking first 2 terms, you can solve here कि b upon a minus h equal k minus b upon minus a equal minus k upon h. According to this, taking first 2, terms, b upon a minus h equal to k minus b upon minus c. x3 minus x1. x3 minus x1, 0 minus a is minus a. So then cross multiplier, minus ab equal k minus b and a minus h. Now multiplier, the ak minus ab minus kh minus minus plus bh is equal to minus ab. Or minus ab are left side and minus ab are right side. Both sides are a minus ab. Then this will be cancelled. What is left here? 1. 1 equal to ak minus kh plus ab. This case transferring the left side, ak plus ab equal kh. This minus k is transporting the left side. This is the kh. Or this one is the same side here, LHS side. So this one side and minus k is the other side. After that, here remainder not 1, here remainder the 0. So then divided by kh, ak upon kh plus ab upon kh, and this equal to kh upon kh, means divided by kh. You will divide it both sides divided by kh. This will, what is left here? The k cancels the a upon h plus what is left here? ab upon kh. What is left here? ab upon, is prove that here b upon k. So b upon k, k is equal to ab upon kh plus here 1. Then you can write here, then where do you find here? A upon kh. But you prove that here a upon h plus b upon k equal to 1. But some minor mistake here. This is the bh. They have converted in ab here. This is, you cancel here bh. Same thing here bh. Same thing here bh. Or same thing here bh. So b, what is left here? bh. So the b upon k. The same thing, a upon h plus b upon k equal to 1. So hence prove that. Hence prove. So this is minor mistake here. Here bh converted in ab. So then answer will come in the wrong here. So then you bh, you write bh, and bh upon kh equal to, so you have b upon k. So this, what is the requirement you have to prove here? This is the completed process. The process is completed. So a upon h plus b upon k equal to 1. So hence prove that it. According this way you will prove that. So first of all, we will with help of this slope of the line. Because 3 points are collinear, then using this identity, slope of P equal to slope of QR equal to slope of PR. So when you are using any two here, first two, otherwise second, last two. This is not matter here, we are taking always first two. Suppose you are taking second and third, suppose you are taking first and third. So this is not matter, you take any two and solve it. Yes, note down it.